Working with Java compiler tools and got a JTB file? These are grammar data files from the Java Tree Builder used with JavaCC parser generation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these JTB JavaCC grammar data files. We're tackling this JTB file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. JTB files are grammar data files used by JTB Java Tree Builder, a syntax tree builder for the JavaCC parser generator. They contain grammar definitions, production rules, and tree node specifications used to automatically generate syntax tree classes from JavaCC grammars for compiler and language tool development. JTB files use a syntax similar to JavaCC grammar files, with EBNF-like production rules, terminal token definitions, and JTB-specific annotations for tree node generation. The format includes grammar metadata, parser configuration directives, and tree builder specifications following JTB's documented grammar file specification. This JTB file is designed specifically for the developer tool JTB by Wanjun Wang. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can't interpret the detailed content, so proper access depends on the intended data program. Your essential first move: right-click the JTB file and choose Open With. If JTB is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. When a JTB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, opening in text editor. Open JTB files in any text editor like Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or IntelliJ IDEA. The plain text format makes grammar definitions readable and editable. Some editors provide syntax highlighting for JavaCC grammars, enhancing readability during compiler development work. Next, processing with JTB. Run the JTB tool on the grammar file using Java, jar, jtb.jar-grammar.jtb to generate Java source files for the syntax tree classes. JTB produces a JavaCC grammar file, along with tree node classes implementing the visitor pattern for parsed syntax tree manipulation. Finally, compiling generated parser. Use JavaCC on the JTB-generated grammar file to produce the actual parser classes. Compile the resulting Java source files with the standard Java compiler to create a working parser that builds syntax trees for the defined language grammar, enabling language processing applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.